Okay, now let's test out my new addition.
What is it? Check out Daddy. What is he wearing? Is he flying a drone with that fin? I think so. You think you can see in front of him? Let's test that out. I'll go and distract him. I will blast him right in the face. Bingo! Daddy, what is that?
You like this, don't you? Remember I told you a while back that I did something new to the Phantom 4? Well, this is it. A new virtual reality headset.
Virtual reality?
Yes, meaning I control the drone's movements with my head and see everything from the drone's point of view.
Sweet, let me try. This is awesome. Can you show me how to fly it with the headset?
Sure. So all you have to do is... What did I do this time?
No reason at all. I just like shooting you. No harder fans, right, Dad? Eli, do you have more bullets left? Nope, I ran out. That's not good because Daddy's freaking me out. Oh, come on, he looks taller than me. I told you he was freaking me out. Liam, look what I found. Where did you get that? Okay, let's do this. You distract him in the front while I go get a weapon. These guys again? We have to get a strata ball so we can destroy the flying drone. Nice work, Liam. So controlling Daddy. Well, then it's time for Plan B. I'm already on it. Liam, what are you doing? I'm going after Daddy. Don't worry about him. Let's get the drone. Eli, you go that way, I'll go that way. This drone is too quick. Only Daddy could shoot it down. Speaking of which, where's Daddy? I really can't stay that drone. Daddy to shoot down the drone, but he's betrayed by the VR. I need help is to shoot the VR. Sounds like a good plan to me. Really? Let's do this. Whoa, Albert! Daddy, get over here. Daddy, you had to take out the drone. It was controlling you by the VR.
So that's why I was shooting you. I could see you, but I couldn't stop.
Don't worry about that. Let's get this drone.
Oh man, the drone's dodging all of them. It remembers everything from last time.
Daddy, are you seeing this?
Is that what I think it is?
Daddy, look!
Those things look sweet, but who's controlling them?
Look, Daddy, the drone's not looking.
That means this is our only chance.